Hello everyone, this is Rashmi Sinha and a great welcome again on my channel. Here I am back with my new lesson, and that is the Internet and Introduction. This lesson is maybe your favorite one because this is the very common discussion among the children that what is Internet and how to play games on Internet, animations, interesting movies and many more to do on the Internet. As you know, the Google, encyclopedias, Chrome, YouTube, these are the most commonly used sites on internet. And you all might be knowing that Larry Page and Sergey Brin was the founder of Google. The first online chat system was called Talkomatic, created by Doug Brown and David R. Woolley in 1973. Oh, so many years back. So the first question comes in a brain if anyone asks you what is internet. So that's a very interesting and a long answer you might be knowing about internet, that internet is nowadays in a blood, like a blood vessel, how the blood works in the body. By the vessel it moves from one edge to the last edge, and this is a network of blood cells. Similarly, the network means it is defined as global network. Global means the whole world is connected, connecting millions of computers worldwide, means all over the world. How many computers? We cannot even count. Uncountable computers can connected by the help of internet without any disturbance and difficulty. When two or more computers are connected over the internet, they can exchange all kinds of information. What information we are sharing nowadays? Suppose I am making this video, and this video content you will get by the next minute after the shooting one. That means I am sharing my informations with you all. This is the way I am using internet, and you are also using internet. I am sending you and you are receiving the informations, such as we can send the text as I am sending you the video, that is the graphic, voice, the voice messages you get, videos you will get, and we can collect informations on any topic without any problem. You know, in the previous years when the internet was not much launched, we were very much facing problem to find any information, but nowadays it's just a single second take to find out about anything. Now if we ask the uses of internet, oh my god, you cannot count the uses. Few I have written, but many more are there. Like online shopping, the favorite, your mummy's work. News and information, your papa's work. They will always check the news online and information by their mobiles or by the televisions, by on Amazon or Netflix, and all those are the source of internet. The chatting, as you are doing with the teachers and your friends, and in the bank. But there are some more like mailing letters, in the health and fitness ground when the doctors are checking the patients by the computer. Then you are booking the tickets of the air tickets or hotel tickets. Hotel also you are booking by the internet. So these are the also uses of internet. Now the next topic we will cover in this video, that is web page. What is web page? We put all informations on internet in the form of digital page, because these pages you cannot tear or you cannot move or you cannot stick. So we call them digital pages, which you will get on the computer screen. So we put all information on internet in the form of digital page. They are called web pages. These pages may contain text, graphics, videos and audios. Suppose when you check the Google screen, the first screen comes, what is the first thing you watch? That is your web page. Web page maybe default comes, means you may match. You may put your web page by your own choice. Like I can put Yahoo my web page, or Gmail or Google, anything. So the first page, the searching page we'll get where the search option comes. So this is about web page. Now the next topic. Then what is home page? The main page of any website which comes first when you click on web page. The first page comes, we call it home page. It contains the links of the other page. If you want to go to the other page, by the help of home page, you may reach to the other number of pages. And then what is the website? As you know, the book has so many pages, and the pages of the book in computer we call web page. The first page where the index is given, we call it home page, and the whole book we call website. So the collection of web pages like a book, these web pages are interlinked or interconnected. Means whatever you check on a website, all the pages are related to that. Suppose a website of you'll open on Amazon shopping one. What did you get? All the pages are the shopping one only. All the products are given. They are all interrelated. Now I'll cover two more topics. What are the advantages and disadvantages of the internet? So here we are, and these are the advantages and disadvantages which we were talking about. So when we go to the advantages, there are a number of advantages of internet, and you may not even count. I have written in the only points. If you want, you make it in a sentence. That would be a better one. So suppose I have written the faster communication or abundant informations. Faster abundant communication means you will get all information in a very speedy way, and abundant means you will get in a large scale. Means any number of amount of data you want or require, you may get. Communication means if you collected any informations from internet, you will be easily pass it on to your friends, to your family, or to anyone you wanna share. Suppose I want to share my informations to you. So this is quite easy to share you. This way of communication is easy. Informations are abundant means in a large scale. Suppose you're not happy with one information, you want more, you can go through. There are number of websites related to one topic is given. Easy sharing. Sharing is too easy. If you want to share any video, pictures, movies, jokes, informations, or any kind of thing, datas, all kind of datas can be easily shared. And somewhere this is also wrong to us, means we have a side effects of it. We'll talk on that also. This is the best way of sharing, learning, and collecting information. So the cost of anything, when we are sharing the data, it costs hardly 10 paisa or hardly 5 paisa, which is not even countable. So very less, very cheap in cost, and time also being saved. You no need to go through with the dictionaries. You no need to go with the big libraries or a lot of bunch of books. You will simply click on Google or check the encyclopedia for any kind of information. This is too easy nowadays. Not only this, online services are very good for e-commercing, means booking tickets, funding, like banks are sharing the money, or you want to transfer your details or money from one city to other, or even one country to other, you can do that. So you are nowadays get a very easy and simple way of doing all the work by the help of internet. Now when we talk on disadvantages, this is also not in less number. We have a lot of disadvantages. For example, fast spreading of wrong information. Sometimes a wrong informations or wrong data comes, like a fake news, you can say, or you can say a kind of memes, jokes, which is not so good for the society. That informations are very easily spread. People enjoys that and want to know more about it. The spam is a kind of virus, you can say, and they are the unwanted and unnecessary ads or emails which comes when you search anything, that some emails unnecessary by the companies or some ads of their products, simply they come and they will disturb your work, and sometimes they are in a form of virus, so they will affect or they will attack to your machine, attack to your data. Virus attacks. Virus also attacks means kind of, suppose we have connected a lot of computers and sharing the data without knowing this, that maybe the data I am sharing or demanding is full of virus and will crash my computer soon, and I will be in the problem. Sometimes when we have number of datas in the computer, there is a chances of data loss or information loss also. So these are the common disadvantages and advantages which we'll cover by this video. Hope you understand this lesson, which is very, very related to your real life, and these days you are also crossing with, facing also, experiencing also a lot of things in internet. So I hope you will understand. There are many more other videos related to virus also. If you want to know them, please go through. Do subscribe, share and like my videos, and keep watching it. For doing this, a big thank you. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.